Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Style. Then let's tap on this Wallpapers toggle, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got pre-installed options, and here we've got also the album, so we can enter our own files and set our own photo as a wallpaper. So all you have to do is to basically find the wallpaper which you'd like to apply and then tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on it and it will immediately appear on the full screen. Maybe not that immediately, but let's be patient. Alright, we've got it, so just tap on apply to, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can check how it will look like on the lock screen and the home screen. In the home screen, we've got also this option wallpaper color, so we can change the home screen to the gradient option. For example, this one, we can also customize it here, so change the intensity or the solid color, and the same situation we can change. Or simply just tap on match lock screen, and again, we've got the wallpaper applied, the photo applied. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on apply in the right upper corner. Now wait a second. Alright, if you wish, you can turn on always on display. I don't want to do it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.